What's up? Have you ever encountered a situation that you failed to open a file for the forgotten password? What you should do in this situation? Carry on or give up? In this video, I will provide you guys with a workable way to fix this problem. Let's go! PassFab for SIP. You can download this software from the official website. Open PassFab for SIP. Click Add to import your file. Choose one method to recover your password. Then click Start. Wait for a while. The software will display your password. Copy password to unlock your zip file. That's all today. If you think this method is helpful, please be sure to like it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.